Budget phones just got a glow up as Nothing has officially unleashed its first ever entry-level smartphone, the Phone 3A Lite, and it's already turning heads. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech updates. The company said this launch is crafted for a generation tired of the ordinary, and it looks like Nothing is delivering that promise without breaking the bank. First of all, the 3A Lite screams Nothing DNA. The signature transparent rear panel is back, and this time it's paired with durable Panda glass on both sides and a sleek aluminum inner frame. With an IP54 rating for dust and splash resistance, the phone isn't just about looks, it's built to last. And yes, the iconic glyph light is back, although this time as a single LED in the bottom corner for notifications. Inside the 3A Lite is a MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Pro chipset and a massive 6.7-inch FHD Plus flexible AMOLED display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Nothing gave it a 5000 mAh battery that'll last nearly 2 days on mixed use, and with 33-watt fast charging, which is sold separately, you can even hit 50% in just 20 minutes. There's something for photography fans as well. A triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel primary lens, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 2-megapixel macro camera, plus a 16-megapixel selfie shooter. Nothing claims that its large Samsung sensor captures 64% more light than typical smartphone sensors, making low-light shots amazing. The phone runs Nothing OS 3.5, aka Android 15, out of the box, with features like Essential Key, Private Space, and App Locker. Plus, it'll get Android updates and 6 years of security patches, including the upcoming Nothing OS 4.0. The Phone 3A Lite is hitting the UK and European markets starting at €249, and for the price, Nothing may just have made budget phones cool again. Are you getting this phone for yourself? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.